is the partner you need to accelerate your time to market and bring autonomy to new industries and applications. New Eagle's production-ready drive-by-wire kits are a simple, fast, plug-and-play solution for a range of popular vehicles.
We've been working with numerous companies to develop autonomous vehicles for moving people, delivering packages for fixed, repeatable routes, and even working on off-highway applications. Our drive-by-wire kits handle the vehicle actuation technology, which has several benefits. These customers don't need to add staff, they cut their development timeline, and the product management team has more time to focus on the overall solution instead of the technical details. These customers get the vehicle into use faster than they expect. One customer, in about a year, has already logged over 70,000 miles in autonomous mode and has even started removing the safety driver.
Get your autonomous vehicle to production faster. Contact New Eagle to learn more about our drive-by-wire solutions.